Yung mga reklamo sa mga BQ English names nyo? So far. Actually, everyone, your BQ English names, we've already made a lot of accounts. We've already fixed documents for your BQ English names. So if you'd like to change your BQ English names, it's going to take a very long process. However, it's going to be okay if you want to request for it to be changed for a very valid reason. For example, Sir Max, my name is Carver, but Carver was the name of my ex-wife. So we can change that.
Yeah.
Alright? Sir Max, my name is Victoria. But Victoria, Sir Max, this was my angry Vietnamese name. And I got traumatized. So we can change those. However, if you just feel like, Sir Max, hindi siya social kasi paminawon, Sir Max, so I'd like to change it. So that's not a valid reason. You have your two English names. I read your two English names a while ago. Kamu na bahala if how you can do it more social.